For over 40 years, Polyklear fiberglass and resin has been a trusted leader in sustainable, high-strength, and lightweight solutions. As we say, sky is the limit with Polyklear. With the right skills and determination, you can turn any vision into reality with our high-quality fiberglass and resins to give you reliable, durable, and long-lasting results. After 40 years, Polyklear continues to evolve, embracing sustainability with innovative, high-performance composites that balance efficiency with care for the planet. Our solutions reduce waste and support progress without compromising the environment. As part of this commitment, Polyklear offers a complete range of finest raw materials. Our products include fiberglass, reinforcements, resins including polyester, epoxy, and vinyl ester. We also carry catalysts, fillers, additives, colorants, tools, and accessories, and a DIY fiberglass repair kit. Everything you need to bring your vision to life is within your reach. We take pride in supporting local industries, from manufacturing and logistics to construction, and even to DIY enthusiasts and handymen of all sorts. Polyklear has earned the trust of some of the biggest names in air, land, and marine transportation. With our products used in luxury boats, fishing vessels, stone casts, backyard fabrications, construction works, fiberglass molds, and many more. We are grateful in knowing that our fiberglass and resin materials have helped improve lives and livelihoods across the country. It is our mission to support local and help uplift the lives of Filipinos. At Polyklear, we continue to innovate, inspire, and support industries and individuals who strive for excellence. Together, let's build a stronger, more sustainable future, one fiberglass and resin project at a time. Built on quality, driven by innovation, trusted for 40 years. Polyklear, the leading brand for high-quality imported raw materials.